Hey everyone, there's breaking news for Social Security recipients that you absolutely need to hear. The IRS has just announced a major update regarding stimulus payments, which could put up to $1927 in your pocket starting January 1, 2025. If you currently receive Social Security benefits, this news directly affects you and your loved ones, so make sure to listen closely. Before we dive into the details, take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated on important announcements like this one, and don't miss out on crucial information that could impact your financial situation. You might be wondering why another stimulus payment is being issued and why specifically the amount of $1,927. Well, this payment is part of a broader economic relief package tied to previous federal policies. The plan, which was initially structured during the last administration, is now being implemented due to the current economic conditions. The Social Security Administration, SSA, in coordination with the IRS, has announced that this targeted payment will specifically benefit Social Security recipients. This includes retirees, Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, Supplemental Security Income, SSI, and Railroad Retirement beneficiaries. The payments will be distributed between January 1 and January 25, 2025, based on the last digits of your Social Security number. We'll explain the payment schedule in more detail shortly. Here's the best part: if you're already receiving Social Security benefits, you don't need to apply or take any additional steps to receive this payment. The IRS will automatically process the payment using existing records, so no forms, calls, or paperwork are required. However, not everyone will receive the full $1,927. The exact amount you'll receive depends on factors such as your regular benefit amount and whether you've received previous stimulus payments. Some recipients might receive slightly less, while others could qualify for more based on their unique circumstances. The rollout schedule for these payments is designed to distribute them as efficiently as possible. If your Social Security number ends in 0 to 20, payments will be issued from January 2 ND to January 5 TH. For Social Security numbers ending in 21 to 40, payments will follow shortly thereafter. For those with numbers ending in 81 to 99, payments will be completed by January 25 TH. If you receive payments via direct deposit, these dates will apply to you. If you expect a paper check, please note that it may take an additional 5 to 7 business days for delivery. Many recipients are understandably concerned about how this stimulus payment might affect their regular Social Security benefits. The good news is, this stimulus payment is entirely separate from your regular Social Security payments and won't impact your monthly benefit amount. It also won't count as income for federal programs like SNAP, Medicaid, or housing assistance. Additionally, these stimulus payments are tax-free, meaning you won't need to report them on your 2025 tax return. However, it's always a good idea to consult a tax professional about your specific situation to be sure you're in the clear. In terms of eligibility, to qualify for this payment, you must have been receiving Social Security benefits as of November 2024. If you started receiving benefits after that date, your eligibility might differ, and we are still waiting for further clarification from the SSA regarding these cases. If you manage benefits for someone else or receive them on behalf of a dependent, additional considerations may apply. Stay tuned for updates tailored to these specific situations. A noteworthy aspect of this stimulus payment is the inclusion of an economic adjustment factor that takes inflation rates and cost of living increases into account. This adjustment is part of why many recipients will receive exactly $1,927, although individual amounts may vary. The goal is to ensure that the payment addresses the current economic conditions and helps those most in need. To prevent fraud and ensure the payments reach the correct recipients, the IRS and SSA are implementing enhanced verification processes. When you receive your payment, it will come with a unique identification code, so make sure to keep this documentation for your records as it might be important for future reference. If you've recently moved or changed your bank information, it's essential to update your details with the SSA to avoid delays. This can be done easily through your My Social Security account online, and updating your information promptly ensures you'll receive your payment on time. If for some reason your payment doesn't arrive during the scheduled timeframe, don't panic. The IRS is setting up a dedicated phone line and online portal to help track payments, similar to the process used in previous stimulus rollouts. However, they do request that recipients wait at least 5 business days past their scheduled payment date before making any inquiries. As with any large-scale payment distribution, there are always questions about debt collection. Unlike some prior stimulus payments, this round is largely protected from debt collection, but there are exceptions. For example, overdue child support payments may result in stimulus funds being redirected to cover these obligations. If you are a veteran who receives both Social Security and VA benefits, there's some additional good news. You may qualify for an additional supplemental payment, although the details are still being finalized. Early reports suggest this could mean several hundred extra dollars for eligible recipients, which would be a welcome bonus. This stimulus payment represents a significant boost to the economy, with millions of Social Security recipients set to receive these funds. The timing is strategic, as it comes right after the holiday season and is intended to ease the financial strain from post-holiday bills and winter utility costs. Once you receive your payment, it's a good idea to plan how to use it carefully. While it may be tempting to spend the full amount immediately, setting aside a portion for emergency savings is always a wise move. Keep in mind that this is a one-time payment, not a recurring benefit. It's also important to stay alert for scams. Whenever large-scale payments are issued, scammers inevitably try to exploit the situation. Be cautious, as neither the IRS nor the SSA will contact you via phone, email, or text asking for personal information or fees to process your payment. If someone contacts you and requests money or personal details, it's a scam. Always be vigilant and protect your information. Looking ahead, there's already speculation about whether additional stimulus payments could be issued in the future. While nothing is confirmed, the success of this payment rollout could provide a framework for future economic relief measures. It's worth keeping an eye on future developments, as this may just be the beginning of additional relief efforts. To recap the key points, payments will begin on January 1, 2025, and continue through January 25, 2025. The maximum amount is $1,927, though individual payments may vary. Most recipients won't need to take any action, as payments will be automatic. These payments are separate from your regular Social Security benefits, tax-free, and largely protected from debt collection practices, with exceptions for things like overdue child support. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Social Security stimulus payments and other financial news affecting retirees and beneficiaries. Share your thoughts in the comments section. How do you plan to use this payment? Your experiences and questions help build a stronger, more informed community. Stay informed, stay safe, and share this information with anyone who might benefit. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.